Hi, Sketch friends. Well, this s'mores got a sweet side and a spooky side. Today we're drawing a s'mores ice cream cone, drippy chocolate, gooey marshmallow, and all the kawaii vibes. Well, let's get started. So we drew 2 dots in a foreshortened circle, and this is going to start the cylinder of our ice cream cone. All right, let's go ahead and we're going to draw 2 lines down. You see this line that curves down? We're going to match that. And now we're going to draw 2 lines that taper down. They get closer together as it gets near the bottom of the cone. And then once again, we're going to go ahead and curve a line down. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase off this construction line for the top of the cone. Okay, we're going to draw 2 dots. This is going to determine the width of the marshmallow for our s'mores ice cream cone. And then once again, we're going to match this line that curves down. All right, these 2 vertical lines create the height of our marshmallow. And once again, where these 2 dots are, we're going to draw a foreshortened circle. All right, let's go ahead and start the expression. We're going to go ahead and leave these little white dots in for a highlight. Well, he's drippy, he's gooey, and he might roast you if you get too close. It's got drips, chocolate, and just enough chaos to make your sweet tooth scream. So I'm going to angle these eyebrows. By angling the eyebrows, it makes them look a little bit more angry. Adds to this expression we're creating. And then let's go ahead and draw the mouth. I'm going to curve a line down here. And yes, we have vampire teeth. Forget vampires. This s'mores, the real snack that bites. All right, here we go. We're going to make this chocolate ice cream dripping over the edge of our ice cream cone. And this is overlapping. This is a method of creating space, making a flat piece of paper appear to be 3-dimensional. So we're using these wavy lines. Gotta make it drippy, bro. Let's go ahead and erase out some of these construction lines now. Now I'm just going to make a little wavy line at the bottom of the marshmallow so it looks like it's sinking in to this chocolate. And just so you know, guys, calories don't count when it's art. So I'm only using just a few diagonal lines across. And now it's time for the graham cracker bat wings. So I'm curving a line to the right, and now I'm going to curve a line up. Curving a line out to the left. Curving a line out to the left again. And then now curving a line up. Okay, let's go ahead and add the details into this bat's wing. Drawing these lines down. Awesome. And now we're going to go ahead and work on the other side. So once again, curving a line out to the left, and then curving a line up. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and curve a line out to the right. Curving a line out to the right again. And now curving line up. And then once again, going in, adding little details inside of the wing. Well, now's a good chance to stand back from your work, make any adjustments as needed, and then we're going to go in and outline. I'm just going to go in with a Sharpie marker. I'll be coloring with Posca markers today, but you can use whatever you have. We're using color as value today, so I'm using ivory, which is a light yellow. And then for the shadow, I'm going in with beige. I'm using cacao brown and dark brown, and the highlights will be beige on the chocolate. Using beige and brown for those graham cracker wings. Outlining with some dark brown. And for the ice cream cone, I have apricot. I'm doing ivory and then brown for the shadows. I'm gonna go in and tighten up my outlining. Well, hey, if you had fun drawing with me today, check out my other Halloween how to draw videos. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.